Watch me turn Excel data into a full AI-generated report and save it as a Markdown file. No copy pasting, all done by the AI model with MCP server tools. Here is the report generated by the AI model. I will share with you what I learned after I built a MCP server for Excel integration. What looked like a 4-hour project turned up to be a deep dive into OpenPixel, user intent understanding, and tool designing. We'll dive into the tools using the MCP Inspector, check their outputs, and learn what they can do. First, clone the repo with the link in description. Change to the MCP Excel Server folder. There, run the npx command to start the inspector with the Excel Server script. Click on the terminal to open the inspector in your browser. We can look at the List Tools tab in the inspector after connecting to the server. Inspector runs the server to access the tools. Once you run the server in MCP Inspector, executing the tools and learning what they do is easy. What you will be more interested is the lessons I learned in developing these tools. Users want magic, not details, when using AI. The Excel to HTML table function has a doc string, which provides the instruction to the model when to use the tool and what to expect. Following that, we see the headers are created from the Excel sheet columns and the rows are created from the data. The return statement states to use the data for analysis. Looking closer at the arguments of the function, there are default values to the arguments. This makes it easy for AI model show an example of how the tool will work when the user is first time trying out the tool through the conversation. Create read and delete operation on Excel sheet involves precision. Read cell tool has the row and col argument, which helps in precisely reading the cell data. What is more important is the return statement, which informs the model about this row and col value. When it comes to writing to a cell, user will provide a value, but even that has default value to avoid errors. Learn about the limitations of code and the application, so you can use try except correctly. When trying to write files to the file system, having a try except block can save you hours of debugging. Knowing the limits of how the file works will help you to provide correct return statements. Return statements with proper explanation of the status will help the AI model to communicate what is happening inside the tool. Search Excel tool is looking for a value inside a sheet. The return statement communicate whether the value was found or not in explicitly worded instruction. This will make user experience much better. If you're like most developers, you've probably used an MCP server inside an IDE or browser extension. But did you know there's a powerful Python MCP client that you can extend to manage multiple servers directly from your command line? Watch this video to see how it works and learn how to integrate it into your workflow for faster development and testing.